Hi, here we're going to learn how to set up an Amazon account. First, head to Amazon.com, hover over the Sign In button and click Start Here. Next, fill out all the required fields. Be sure to write down your password so that it isn't forgotten. Next, you should receive a verifying email to the email address you supplied. Take the number supplied in the verifying email address, enter it, and click Create Your Amazon Account. Next, head back over to Your Account, click Your Account, then over to the left, click Your Addresses, click Add Address, and fill out all the required fields. Click Add Address. For more help, contact us at gopioneer.com/support.